In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Wix or have been using it for a while, encountering issues with your website can be frustrating. But fear not, because we're here to guide you through a simple process to get things back on track. To begin, let's make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Go ahead and open your favorite web browser and visit the Wix website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage your sites, explore new features, and much more. From here, identify and select the site you are experiencing issues with to bring it up. Now, if you find yourself encountering any problems with your website, the next step is to click on the Help icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of your dashboard. By clicking on Help, you can access a range of support options provided by Wix to address various issues that might occur, from design questions to functional concerns. With the Help menu open, type in Wix Technical Assistant in the search bar. As you start typing, you might notice several options popping up. These are various topics and articles related to your query. Please choose the Wix Technical Assistant option from the results. Clicking on Get Started will open a virtual assistant interface that's designed to provide guidance and support based on the issue you're facing. Once the Wix Technical Assistant is open, you can type in your specific concern. It's best to be as precise and detailed as possible. Describe what your website is doing or failing to do that has prompted you to seek help. The assistant is designed to understand these issues and will offer solutions and step-by-step responses based directly on the problem you're describing. After you've typed in your issue, the Wix Technical Assistant will quickly process your input and offer potential solutions or direct you to the appropriate resources. You might receive advice on how to modify specific settings, links to helpful tutorials, or even an option to connect with a Wix expert for more complex issues. It's important to follow closely the advice provided and check if the suggested solutions resolve your problem. In just a few minutes, by following these steps, you should be on your way to fixing most common issues that might arise with your Wix website. Remember, technology may sometimes be unpredictable, but with the right guidance and tools, you can ensure your website runs smoothly and efficiently. This concludes our quick and easy guide to fixing Wix issues. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.